welcome to our cooking session at Rowland Hill. Here I've got the instructions which I'm going to put available online as well, so you can follow them at home. Now before I've started, what I've done is I've had a go at making my very own balance scales. Now there are a few different ways you can do this, and I've put some examples on the sheet, but what I've used here is I've used 2 paper plates and some string and an old coat hanger, and you're just going to have to find some way to hang it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that to help me balance my ingredients. So as I add one egg in, look at what happens. So one side of our scale has gone down. Now that's a really interesting point to talk to your children about. And, there we go. It's a really interesting point to talk to your children about, because they're going to have to look really closely and see what happens as they add the next ingredient. So the next ingredient I have is to add the flour. And I'm watching to see when they are balanced, when they are the same weight. So you're going to have to watch really closely to see that happen. Now, as I've added the flour, you can see they're starting to show that they're a little more equal. But I still think my egg is heavier because it's lower. So I'm going to have to add some more. That's it. I'm going to have another look, and you might have to get down right at that level to have a look, but I think that they're balanced. So what I can do next is I can take my egg out just so it doesn't smash, because I don't want that to happen, and then I can tip my flour into my mixing bowl. Then I can replace my egg, and I'm going to now use the sugar. So I'm going to balance the sugar into the bowl. And look, are they the same weight yet? No, not yet. Let's see, are they balanced? Are they equal? No, not yet, or I'm going to have to keep going. Let's see, aha, perfect. They are equal, and we know equal means the same. So let's put that down, and I can now tip my sugar into the bowl. Now all you have to do is follow that recipe using the same method, and you could try using your balance scales using a coat hanger or a piece of wood and some lollipop sticks, or even some Lego if you've got that at home. So feel free to experiment, and there's also another sheet on the back, and that will show you how to make pancakes. But really you could use the same way for almost anything. Maybe you could find a new recipe that you could share with your friends. So make sure you let us know once you've had a go. We want to hear all about it. Thanks a lot.